Hello. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. Mega love shout out especially to my students and their parents. And if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe, two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Alright. Our lesson for today is about quadrilaterals for grade 7 mathematics, third quarter. What is quadrilateral? A figure on the right shows coplanar points A, B, C, and D, such that no 3 points are collinear. Ano ibig sabihin ng collinear? Points that belong to the line, ano isang linya. The 4 points A, B, C, and D are vertices. So, ito po yung mga vertices, no? Which are joined by 4 segments. The union of these 4 segments is called quadrilateral. The given quadrilateral can be named by listing its vertices starting with any vertex and writing or reading the other vertices in either clockwise or counterclockwise direction. Thus, the figure can also be named as what? So, they can name as quadrilateral ABC, quadrilateral BCDA, quadrilateral CDAB, quadrilateral DABC, quadrilateral ADCB, quadrilateral DCB, quadrilateral CBAB, or quadrilateral BADC. Now, in the same figure, we have two pairs of opposite sides, namely, we have segment AB and segment DC. So, these are opposite. And segment AD and segment BC. While segment AD and AB are as is one set of consecutive sides. Now, in the figure, angle A and angle C, as well as angle B and angle D, are called opposite angles. So, opposite, no? Well, angle A and angle B is one of the set of consecutive angles. The segment AC, no? AC and BZ are diagonals of the quadrilateral. Alright, so, okay, example, list all pairs of consecutive sides and consecutive angles for this quadrilateral base. So, the consecutive sides are, so we have segment BE, segment ES, no, sila mag-partner, and then segment ES and ST, and then segment ST and BT, and then BT, no, and BE. So, consecutive, ibig sabihin, tuloy-tuloy, no? What about the consecutive angles? So, angle B and angle E. They are consecutive angles. Then angle E and angle S and angle T, then angle T and angle B. Right? Next. For example, name the opposite sides or angles of its given side or angle. For example, segment PR. So this is the segment PR, the segment RE, and the angle P, angle R. No? So solution, segment NE is the opposite of segment PR. And the segment NP is the opposite of segment RE. Angle E is the opposite of angle P, and angle N is the opposite of angle R. Right? Next. So we have special quadrilaterals. Number one, we have parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. Okay, so for example, we have this parallelogram, no? Okay. If parallelogram ABC, if this quadrilateral ABC is parallelogram, then AB, no, is parallel to DC, to segment DC, and segment CD is parallel to segment BC. Uh, or DA and BC. They are parallel. Okay, next. Rhombus is a parallelogram with four congruent sides. Okay, so we have here rhombus, A, B, C, and D. So if quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus, then segment AB is congruent to segment BC, no? And which is also congruent to segment CD, and also congruent to segment AD. So, ibig sabihin, pare-pareho ang sukat ng sides. Okay? Now, let's have another type of special quadrilaterals, which is rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with four right angles. Alright. Now, look at this, no? So, we have rectangle ABCD. If quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle, then angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D are right angles. So, these are right angles. Why? No? So, these are equal. No? Lalagyan natin ng perpendicular sign. No? This means 90 degrees. Alright? Next, we have square. No? A square is a parallelogram with four congruent sides and four right angles. Yes, this is a square ABCD. Now, if square ABCD is, if quadrilateral ABCD is a square, then segment AB is congruent to segment BC, and segment BC is congruent to segment CD, and segment CD is congruent to segment DA. And angle A, angle B, and angle C, and angle D are right angles. Alright? Alright, sige. Next. We have also another type of special quadrilaterals, which is kite. No? So, be familiar kayo sa kite or saranggola. No, dito natin nakuha yung pattern nun. A quadrilateral with two pairs of adjacent sides congruent and no opposite sides congruent. So, remember, the adjacent sides are congruent, opposite sides are not congruent. Okay, this is a kite. Now, kite, if quadrilateral ABCD is a kite, then segment AB is congruent to segment AD, and segment CB is congruent to segment CD. Okay? Next, another type of special quadrilaterals is trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. Yeah, this is a trapezoid. Now, if quadrilateral ABCD is trapezoid, then AB is parallel to CD. Alright? So that's the condition. Okay? Alright, guys. So you will learn more about the characteristics of quadrilaterals when you were already in grade 9. Grade 8 and grade 9, no? Or grade 9, because you will discuss characteristics or properties of quadrilaterals in grade 9. So for now, if you have questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And before I go, one, subscribe. Two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notifications. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, alright, thanks for watching. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye. See you again. Love you all.